Hi friends, today we are going to see how to index the website in Google. So we will log in the website. We have done the basic designs previously. We need to optimize the page a little bit before we index into Google. You can see here actually there is an issue, huge SEO blocking the robots because we have disabled the search engines to index the website because we need to add some optimization, some content before we actually submit to the index. So here we will go to the home page first because Google indexes the home page first. So we will go to the home page, and here is the Yoast SEO plugin. We will use the main keyword. Since this is the home page, we will use the main keyword learn website skills. You can see here uh, there is a preview of Google, how it indexes your website. We have SEO title. We should you can see the green bar in the bottom. That is the suggested uh, size of the title. If we write a bigger title, it will say that it's exceeding the limit. So we need to keep the title within that green bar. And you can see on the top the page title is changing as I edit the title here. Then we have the meta description. In meta description you are going to write, since this is the home page, you are going to write what is this website about, like I mean what is the purpose of this website in just few words. Here also you can see the bar, orange bar in the bottom. It guides you like how much length meta description you can keep. So here we are writing the main service which we offer for this website, so that when people search in Google they will first see this thing, the title and the meta description. So that is the reason we are going to enter this meta description. Later on we will see in detail about how to optimize the page for SEO. Right now we are just discussing about indexing in the Google, that's it. So I don't want to go in detail and waste your time on all page optimization and everything. We will see that later on. These are the basic things to make your website live. That's it. So once we make your website live, then we can add any number of content. That's not a big deal. So here I'm publishing it. Our home page is optimized for indexing. Right. Now you have to remember one thing. Works based on two things. One is pages and one other is post. So already we have optimized the page and we need one post in order to index into Google. Why? Because we don't want people to see hello world. That's just a dummy post. We want something else. So I'm creating one post uh, which is like I'll give some title, something related to website, that is welcome to free website tutorials, free website design tutorials. Okay, so now I will write a short description, or you can say the post content. uh, Yoast plugin suggests to have at least 300 words post content for a good results. So we are going to keep 300 words for each and every article. But as of now, since we are connecting the website to Google for indexing, we are just posting the basic data. Why we need a post? Because while pinging the website, some applications they use feed of the website as well. And even in the sitemap, we have kept the sitemap links for posts, for tags, right? So if we don't have a post and tags, then Google is not going to completely index the sitemap. Then even the feed will not work if you don't have the posts. Hence, one post is required to activate the feed and make sure that all the links in the sitemap are working. So here we will add one category as general, because we don't want to keep the uncategorized. That's not required. And here I am adding the tags. Tags are very important because in sitemap, even the tag sitemap is there. So whatever the tags we are adding here, Google will index them. They are very, very much useful for, they are very much useful to for SEO. Like you can use various keywords as tags, and that will help you in creating number of backlinks. You can see here we have posted. Here is the post. We click on this, welcome to free website tutorials. You can see here the content is there, and you can see the tags here, right? 3 tags, and each tag has the link, right? If you click on the tag, you can see that this particular post is shown there, right? So this is how the tag creates huge number of links. So we will create one post and post 10 tags to that. It means that our website has created 11 pages, posts, sorry. One main post and 10 tag related posts. That's what. Now you can see here SEO issue is there. We have got the page and post. Now we are removing this. Go to settings, reading, and here see I am disabling the search engine visibility. I have removed that. So now our website is ready to index in Google. Now search engines will start reading us. So now I'm just going to check the website. I will go to Google, right? So before that, I'll just show you how. See, I clicked feed and one file came. That is the feed related file. Okay. Now I'm going to Pingomatic. Pingomatic is a website which sends pings to the various servers, 3-4 servers. We'll see here. This will help us to share our data with the below websites. So I'm just entering the learn website skills, blog name, and feed. You can see here, this is the feed. So that is the reason we created posts. If we don't have post, feed will not work. Now I have selected these 4 servers and submitted. Now the pings are sent to these 4 feeds, right? So that helps us to get some, like, some robots to visit our website, and Google will start seeing us. That's the reason we ping to the servers. Okay. Now you can see here search engine visibility is available. So now Google can see our website, and you can see here the notice has gone. Now we will install Google plugin and connect our website to Google. So I'm installing the sitekit by Google plugin. This is made by Google, and this website instantly connects your website to uh, Google. Now I'm activating this plugin. So you can see here automatic setup process is there. Start setup. It's very simple. Sign in with Google. So now you can see here the process connects our website, verifies the ownership. So I'm using the Google account. Select these 2 points. Continue. Proceed. Verify site ownership. Proceed. Now Google is connected to our website. Now we'll click on proceed. So allow learn website skill to access Google account data. Allow. You can see here you are verified owner. Now the second step is completed. Third step is set up search console. This is very important because search console will help us to index our website to Google. Congratulations. Now we'll go to dashboard. So now Google is totally connected with our website. But there is another one thing you need to you can see here search console is connected, page speed is connected. We will see what is page speed later on, and even search console we will see in detail. We are connecting analytics now. So analytics gives you the traffic and search related data. I mean, how many people have visited the website, how many, like which pages they have visited. All this data is shown by analytics. So we are setting up here. We'll select the country, India. So we'll just go to the country and select India. create account. So this will create new analytics account. So I'll just follow the process. So select these 2 points, continue. So now analytics is loading. You can see direct google.com. So our website is directly connecting to Google. So we'll select the country, India. So we tick all the points. I accept. So now our Google Analytics account was created. Go to my dashboard. You'll be again directed back to the website because it has been connected to the Google now. So there is AdSense, but we are not connecting AdSense. Later on, we will see how to connect AdSense when we have a good amount of data. Now you can see all the services are connected and they are gathering data. It will take few minutes to set up everything, right? So you can also search the page related information, everything here, but later on we will do that, not now, okay? Because everything is setting up, it will take few minutes to set up. So now we'll go to Search Console here. You can see the link, we have clicked there. So directly Google Search Console has opened and you can see that our website is connected already because we have used Google Sitekit and connected our website. So one key factor which we are doing here is to add the sitemap. In the previous video, you have seen how to configure sitemap, its importance I have discussed. So that is the key link. So I'll just type here sitemap.xml. So whatever the sitemap is there, I'll get that link. So I'll just copy the link name sitemap underscore index.xml and I'll submit. Now done. You can see it's showing success. And you can also see that in various categories how many URLs have been identified. So sitemap plays crucial role in sending your website related pages, posts, categories, tags, products, everything to Google. So Google will, whenever you post something, sitemap will transfer the data to Google and it will help us and Google will go through that data and it will show it on its website. That's how it works. So now you can see here I have typed search site. Uh, I, previously you can see that it's not showing in Google, right? So I'll just copy the link. I'll submit here in the top. You can see URL is not on Google. Indexing errors. Because we are Google has not yet identified it. That's the reason it's giving this error. So now we will try to fix this error. This is not an error actually. When you first add the website, that is how it shows. So now I'm clicking on test live URL, right? So when I click on the test live URL, Google will show how Google is seeing that page. Though it takes some time to index it, but this process will show how Google is seeing your website. Okay, if everything is perfect, it means that Google will index it shortly. So that's why we do the live testing of the URL. So previously we have used one command in Google site colon learnwebsiteskills.com. You can see here. It's not showing the data, right? So now one more thing, one plugin we are adding right now, file manager. Okay, because there is one more file called robots.txt. This guides search crawlers to the website. So what we will do is sometimes the standard robots, it doesn't allow websites to crawl, so we should add sitemap to the robots.txt. So I am installing this plugin file manager. This allows me to create the robot.txt file in the root directory. Uh, Already the one we have seen previously, it's a default one. This is the default one. So I'm creating a, so here I have came back to Google. It's asking to verify in search console. So I'm verifying. Done. You can see here previously we requested indexing, right? After live test URL, the indexing request has been submitted. You can see indexing requested. It means we have requested Google to see our website and index, right? So I'm testing live URL again. It takes few minutes. Meanwhile, we will check the file manager. So in file manager, we can just close this here. You can see all the root files are shown. This is very crucial. Even if you make a very small error, like even if you keep a small wrong comma here, your whole website will go down. So you should edit here only if you know what you are doing. Otherwise, please don't touch this. Hire an expert who can do it and get the work done. If you don't know, don't play with this thing, because it can crash your website completely, and further if you don't know how to recover, then you will lose the complete data also. So now I'm creating the uh, new text file here. I'll new text file, click on new .txt. So I'll name it robots. So what I'm doing is I'm copying the robots text from another website where I have created, and it gave me very good results. So I'm copying the same robots text from the other website and I'll paste it here, because I've already written it and it's working very fine for me on all the websites which I'm doing SEO on. So here is the robots.txt which gives good results. So I'm just copying this thing here, and you can see in the bottom sitemap. So I'll go to learnwebsiteskills.com sitemap and I'll copy this link. So I'll copy this link and I'll put it here. I'll replace it and I'll save it. Now you can go back and see the robots.txt. Previously it was just two lines, WP admin. So now you can see the new one is updated here. So this will also, you can see here now the URL is indexed, URL is available to Google, right? And everything is fine, perfect. So it means that Google will index our website shortly, and this error will go. Okay. So this is how you index your website on Google. So now let's go back to google.com. You can always perform this check, site colon learn